Hello, how do I do my daily chart analysis of large cap stocks for swing trading purposes? We are going to analyze few stocks together, and the first one is CSL. We are doing the chart analysis today, September 8, 2025, after the market closed on Friday the 5th. So CSL, on Friday the market closed at a higher price compared to when the market opened that day. Therefore, the price is green. The bar will be green as well. But what I like to focus more on is where I like to buy, which is the valley line, the support line at the valley of the mountain. And right now, after it reached that peak, it's been creating lower highs. So I think it could well be going down. Although after reaching that level, has been making higher highs there, but I'm not sure if it's going down or if it's going up. So we'll just continue observing it. The second one we are going to analyze is DECK, and I have it in red there because I'm keeping an eye on it. So DECK reach, we have, I will say, two support lines here that we have in purple, and this one at this point I could put it as a gray because it is a support line for the upside of the mountain when it is going up. Therefore, we do not want to buy it on that line, but we will prefer to buy at the valley line, which will be this one. So it went below it, trying to rest there, went up, was a little bit sideways here, and start going up here. So this line will be the line that I will assume is the valley line that it might rest on and go up, because it touched base with it multiple times, but it originated from here. This one is longer, but it didn't go all the way there. So I have this here, but because it's just it didn't touch base with it, there is quite a bit of gap between this one and this touch here. I'm not really relying on it. I just put it there to see what it's doing here. So there is a chance that it might continue to pull back to try to come back to here before going, but at this point I like to buy. So we are now, so that is the way I will do my analysis, because this one cross the line, touch base with the line that I was targeting, then I will keep closer attention to it. So now when we come closer, we zoom, I try to see if it's creating higher lows here, and I notice that yes, it's doing it here, because this low is lower than that, or this low is higher than this one is higher than this, Friday one is higher than this one. So if today, Monday, we have a green bar still going up type of behavior, we might buy some. That is the idea. But at the same time, I'm keeping in mind that there is a probability that it might pull back to go lower, because this is not really a strong support line in my opinion that give me any insurance that is going to lean on it and move from there. So there is a chance, but the thing is, it touch base with it, and where horizontal on it resting, give me maybe is down, going down, is resting there to find energy to start going up, because that's quite a bit of drop here. But again, it's just a speculation here. So there is a chance it might touch base with this before going up, there is a chance it may not. But at this point, it's low enough that I will want to buy some. And that is just the way I like to do my analysis. But I had to say that it's quite a bit of a wide mountain from the last time. Okay, so it touched base here, and for a year reach a new high and now drop. So yeah, that's why it is red, because it is flagged to be purchased. If today we have a green bar there, we might get some. So the next one we are going to analyze is the OV, and I like to do my trades around noon, my lunchtime. Although sometimes, because I don't really take my lunchtime around noon, I might do it later, but I like to do it around my lunchtime, and log into the account, check the stocks that are highlighted to see if I'm selecting what is making me make the decision to buy. And then I log into my account and place the order and just log out. And later I will check it to see if he purchased it or not. But that's just to actually place the trade. Is just a quick action there. I don't do it on Think of Trim. I log into the account itself. Although you can do it here as well on Think of Stream. So DOV is the stocks, the stock that we are going to analyze. So DOV is reached the top and is going down, touch base with this here though, this line here, and went up again but start going down. So we don't know if it's going to continue going down or if it's, it start going up from there. But it did touch base with that support line already and it's going. So and right now, if I put my mouse here, you can see that the line here is horizontal here. So touch base with it, come back to it here. So can't really say I'm having an upward trend here. It was here, but here is horizontal, so I don't really know what it's doing, but it tends to go sideways as well. So but at this point is further away from this line that I like to buy at, that I'm not going to take any action because I'm trying to do long up to long swing trading strategy. But one thing you can do as well, if you are confident that it's done going down and it's on its way up, you could compare where you want to buy to where it is now to see the price difference, because the price is on the y-axis, and then can compare the difference between the price where it is now to the previous high to see the price difference. So if the distance between the two is lower than the distance between here, then yeah, you can make a decision to buy. If you find a green bar next, or you have a confirmation that is doing a higher lows or it's done going down, is just it's going up little by little, then you can make a purchase. But at this point I'm not going to make any purchase here, because again, once I don't know if it's going to go back down. Second, is well away from my entry point, the value line, halfway between the two, and I'm okay letting it go. So that is my thought process when I'm doing my daily chart analysis of swing trading. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you for your time. Thank you for all your comments. And thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and ninasoap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to make money, and different ways to save money, to reach a financial independence where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. You just want to start small and go from there. And you will spend time to work on your strategy that you like to use to swing trade or to invest. You'll find stocks that you're interested in that works well with that strategy, and you'll start small, one trade at a time, for instance, or the minimum that can allow you to have $1 or few cents a profit after you pay all the fee that are involved with buying and selling the stocks. Once you have a confirmation that you can make profit with that strategy, trading the stocks you are trading, to increase your profit, you just buy more share. At least that is the strategy that I'm using. That way you lower your risk of losing your money. Also, this strategy, I'm using it with large cap stocks. They do not fluctuate too much. Therefore, you can, if you have a busy schedule, you have job, full-time job, you do not analyze your chart on a daily basis like the way I can go some weeks without analyzing the chart, you can still catch them. They do not fluctuate fast enough to leave a position that you are targeting to buy or to sell, for instance. So, and I think it's less risky for a beginner, but at the same time, you are not going to make a lot of money very quickly with them. But that is a strong and sustainable way to create another stream of income in addition to your daily job. Thank you for your time. For more of swing trading or investing related videos, will you please check the links of those playlists in the description of this video. Thank you.